sampling. So sampling is the process of selecting a sample of the population to provide an estimate of the entire population. A sample has to maintain all the characteristics of the population it represents. 4 methods of sampling will be discussed in the following section. Regardless of the method of sampling used, keep in mind that the sample has to be representative of the problem. So we've got simple random sampling. Simple random sampling is the basic method of selecting a sample. This type of sampling ensures that each individual of a population has an equal chance of being selected for the sample. So there are some complex formulas to calculate the sample size. For the purpose of this chapter, the sample size will be calculated using this formula. Now, you don't have to use this formula. I'm going to show you what to do. So it's S. S is equal to the square root of n, where n is the size of the population. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Please excuse my dogs. Right. So consider a population of 25 to 12 essential mathematics students, 25 kids, but we only actually want the sample of 5 kids. Okay. So a basic method of choosing the sample is by assigning each year 12 students a unique number, 1 to 25. So we take all the kids, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, equal 1 to 25, each writing their name on a piece of paper, place the papers in a bowl or a box, shake it well, choose 5 pieces of paper. Students who correspond to the numbers will be drawn, and those are the ones you're going to look at. Okay, so that's the way you could do it. And so there you've got all your population, so your 25 kids, put them into the box, pull the 5 out, that's your sample. So that's one way of doing it. Now, on this one, I want you all to open your computers and have a look either on Excel. If you don't have Excel, go onto Google Sheets, and it works exactly the same way. And just maybe write down what you have to do, and I want you to try it out. So calculators or computer software make the process of selecting a sample a lot easier by using a random number generator. An Excel worksheet generates random numbers by using the command rand, open brackets, close brackets, or rand between A and then B command. So let me show you what you've got to do. Rand open button, close button command generates a random number between 0 and 1. Depending on the size of the sample, these generated numbers have to be multiplied by n, where n is the size of the population. So what I want you to do, let me just see if I put this in here. Okay, so go into your Excel spreadsheet. I want you to type in where the function line is, and if you don't know, come and ask me. Equal sign, straight after it, rand between, open bracket, and I want you to put A and B. Well, A and B would be the random numbers. So in this one, you could put between 1, and then comma 25, because you want random numbers between 1 to 25. Okay. For the population of year 12 essential math students, the sample of 5, oh, there we go. It tells you 1 and 25. Right, so now I want you to try this yourself. Select a sample of 6 days between the 1st of December and the 31st of December. So what you're going to do, first of all, I want you to do it by hand. So then you would write 1, 2, 3 on each little piece of the 31 pieces of paper, and you would draw out 6. So, well, write every member of the population on a piece of paper. So it would be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because your population would be the days in December. There are 31 days, it's 31 pieces of paper. Fold all the papers, put them in a box. Ensure that the papers are folded properly so that you can't cheat. And then select them. A sample of 6 days, so we pull 6 days. Well, maybe we get those. Right, what happens if they say to you they want you to do it by using a numbering generator? So you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to go into your Excel or to your sheets. You're going to open a new document. You're going to go equals, random between 1, and you would put 31, not 62. That's a mistake, 31. And it will generate a whole lot of random numbers. Take the sample selected, and you choose the first 5, and then that's it. I want you to give those a go now.